Another SVR.
Northwestern Rockwall County in north central Texas. Northwestern in north central Texas.
Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Central Texas.
Yeah, another SVR.
Dallas County in north central Texas until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Yeah, another SVR.
11:27 p.m. Central Standard Time.
It's crazy.
Located near Bulk Springs, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
No handle yet. That's
Source,
so weird.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wow.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas,
crazy.
Mesquite, Bulk Springs, and Seagoville around 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Forney around 11:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Talty around 11:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Terrell around 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
What is it?
Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Heartland, Lawrence,
No.
Lake Ray Hubbard, Sand Branch, Rocket, India, Post Oak Bend City, Trumbull,
Where is the SVR at? They don't
This
see it.
includes the following
not
highways:
see it.
Interstate 35 between mile markers
at that big storm.
413 and 425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 465 and
Can that warning
498.
pop up
Interstate
already?
30 between mile
It's
markers
taking
51
so
and
long.
70. Interstate
It's taking
45
so long
between
for
mile
that to
markers
come.
261 and 283. For your protection, get inside a sturdy
Found
structure
hazard.
and stay away from windows.
Dude, I don't see that thing yet.
Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth
Wow.
Metroplex.